Ayushi. Guys, get started. Question number 1. Tell me what is your answer. I'll also check your chat from my phone. Meanwhile, this was in news because India ka first cheetah, India ka first born cheetah was here. Okay, named Mukhi. India born. First India born cheetah. India में cheetah born नहीं होते. You know, births नहीं होते. So the first India born cheetah Mukhi. Okay, she actually the cheetah named Mukhi gave birth to 5 cubs here. So tell me your answers. I'll meanwhile connect it from my phone as well and do a quick test if you can hear me, see me, all of that. Okay, okay. Okay, give me a thumbs up then. All right, let's get started. So the answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh, all of you. Well done, very good. Okay. Prince कुछ नहीं, ये sessions is a perfect. And why do you need GK right now, by the way? आदित्य मैम कॉर्न्स की प्लेलिस्ट कर दो, आप ही बचा सकते हो. हाँ आदित्य, मैं तो शेयर करती हूँ मेरी कॉर्न्स की प्लेलिस्ट, एक बार जाके देख लीजिए. यू विल ऑल्सो फाइंड द लिंक इन द चैट. ओके, आई मीन राइट देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. So the first question's answer is Madhya Pradesh, everyone. Kuno National Park is in Madhya Pradesh and it has shown successful cheetah conservation efforts because, you know, of course, ये पहली चीता है जिसने बर्थ दिया है यहाँ पे. Let's go to the next question. Question number 2. Constitution Day is observed annually on which day? This day is also important with respect to some other events happening on that day. Okay? No, Vedamitra, I don't know any. Sneha, hi. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल प्रिंस. जयंत, ऋतुराज, प्रतीक, केतन, स्नेहदीप, Yash. Okay, I'm getting your answers. Hari, Sahil. Well, all of you are actually right. Question 2 answer is November 26th. And why is it important with respect to any other event? Can anyone tell me? अभी currently movie की वजह से तो you people would be also knowing it pretty well. But ऐसे भी हर Indian को ये date याद है. It's 26/11 guys, 26/11. 26th November is not just when India celebrates the Constitution Day, that is also called as Samvidhan Divas, but it's also marking the day of the terrorist attack in 2008, right? So option A is the right answer here. Let's go to question number 3. Okay, by the way, B.R. Ambedkar is also an important thing you need to know here, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. Question number 3. Which Indian city is the host of 2030 Commonwealth Games? Yes, Pratik, right. Mumbai attack, right. Vedamitra. Hi, Kaushal. Hi, Ayushi. Well, hi, Ayush, Bhavesh, Niranjan. Welcome. So we have answers of 2013 Commonwealth Games. Which Indian city is hosting it? Ahmedabad is hosting it. Ahmedabad has been formally awarded the hosting rights of 2030 Commonwealth Games, and this decision was obviously approved by the delegates from 74 different Commonwealth nations who participate. And this assembly takes place in UK, okay, Glasgow, UK. And this will be the second time when India will host this game after New Delhi in 2010. 2010 में एक बार न्यू दिल्ली ने किया था, उसके बाद डायरेक्ट अब अहमदाबाद में होगा. So option B is the right answer. Let's go to question number 4, everyone. Which European country became the first to activate Starlink's direct-to-cell satellite service? इसके पीछे भी एक reason है. Hi, Baba Yaga. I'm doing okay. First Gujarat question. Yes, Vedamitra, correct. Poland, D. Q Poland. Why Poland? Nope, that's not the right answer. It's not Poland. Starlink, by the way, you people know, right? Whose company is Starlink? Also, let me know in the chat. Okay. And by the way, what is this direct to cell satellite service? This is basically the phone service or the message service, basically giving your mobile phone internet with the help of satellites. Okay. Yes. Elon Chacha. Perfect. Okay. So you guys are right. So ये answer of this question is Ukraine. Ukraine को ये service मिली थी. Ukraine's largest mobile operator, Kyivstar, right? उनके साथ उन्होंने ये किया है, and they are ensuring communication even during power outage and wartime disruptions. The major thing is wartime disruptions. उस वक्त जब सारी जगह के नेटवर्क्स उड़े हुए हैं स्टारलिंक के डायरेक्ट टू सेल सैटेलाइट की वजह से, the 4G smartphones were able to connect directly to the low Earth orbit satellites without even ground towers. So that is a very technologically advanced thing. At the same time, involves all the main names into it, like Ukraine, like Elon Musk. Okay, so you should know about it. If you were not knowing so far, koi problem nahi hai. That's the entire reason you joined the session. Question number 5. Finn's Weaver that was recently seen in news is naturally found in which region? ये एक bird है, ये एक yellow color bird है. Can you people just take a guess? Hmm. प्रतीक इंडिया में भी आ रहा है. Let's see कैसा चलता है. Let's see. Sahil has given me the answer already. Anyone else who wants to take a guess here? It's fine. I mean, it's completely fine to take a guess. Actually, the reason is ये जो Finn's Weaver है ना, this is silently getting disappearing from the lowlands of India. Okay, and scientific name जानने की जरूरत नहीं है, but just that you know, ये native है to the answer of the question, which is Ganga and Brahmaputra river, and they are generally found in India and Nepal. Okay, and ये बहुत ही interesting nests बनाते हैं, तो इसलिए वो काफी कुछ न्यूज में रहते हैं. बट अभी उनको न्यूज में रखने का ये रीजन है कि उनका जो स्टेटस है ना वो vulnerable कर दिया गया है. Okay, and they have been added in the natural, what is that, nature's red list. Okay, so that's why it's been in news. It's important. And India se related hai to obviously. Question number 6. Where was the 44th India International Trade Fair 2025 conducted? No problem, Piyush. Thank you for joining. Guys, I forgot to tell you in the beginning of the session, so please, I request you people that please do like the session as well. I can't tell you what efforts does it take for me to come and sit today for the session. I mean, it's very heavy for me to sit here and conduct the session. So at least for that, please do like the session as well. Question number 7. Which state? So sorry, I did not do the question number 6. So question number 6 is, where was the 44th IITF 2025 conducted? Question number 6 answer is New Delhi. But हमें ये जानना है that why exactly do we need to know about this trade fair? So the reason for that is India has over 705 unique tribal groups, okay, and they make almost 8.6% of the total population. And what we have to make sure is that we preserve their rich traditional things, okay, cultures, practices, handicrafts, arts, and all the similar things. तो इसीलिए ये जो IITF होता है, that is the India International Trade Fair, which has been conducted in New Delhi. This is the one place where you will find all the artworks of the different tribal groups. इसका एक नाम है, the name goes by एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत. If you can understand the meaning, it says one India, great India. Okay. And by the way, you should also know about one more thing, that the government of India and the state governments support this tribal community to exhibit their work and reach wider audience. इसीलिए वो ऐसे trade fairs कराते हैं. And just that you know, silk-based tribal art is really significant in this entire trade fair, and India is the second largest global silk producer. Okay, so Tussar silk बहुत famous silk है, right? So let's go to question number 7. Which state? I did not mark the answer. It's New Delhi. Question number 7. Which state secured the first position in the best state category for the 6th National Water Awards? Thank you, Jayant. I'll tell about it a little later जब हमारे कुछ questions हो जाएंगे. But this is, I'm not sure if I should share with you or not. So question number 7. Which state secured the first position in the best state category of the 6th National Water Awards for 2024? ये लास्ट ईयर का डेटा के लिए इस ईयर का अवार्ड है, so don't think that it's an old question. महाराष्ट्र secured the first position in this category, not just because वहां पे पानी भर जाता है, but because उनकी जो जल शक्ति मिनिस्टर है CR पाटिल, okay, She has like he has done a lot of work with respect to providing fresh water for to every household. That's exactly what they say, but probably I'm not sure about the real scenarios. And also the aim of giving this award to Maharashtra would be to promote more awareness among the other states so that they can have a better water usage practices all throughout. 46 winners रह चुके हैं यहाँ पे total across 10 categories में, but for this category the award goes to Maharashtra. Question number 8, Vrindavani Vastra. We don't have an option of Vrindavan here, so not so easy to guess. But yeah, Vrindavani Vastra is associated with which Indian state? You guys need to check it and let me know. Maharashtra be like, मुझे क्यों तोड़ा? ऋतुराज, वो थोड़ा थोड़ा हो जाता है, नेचुरल है. यस आदित्य, वो भी बात है. Okay, question number 8. So, question eight's answer is Assam. Who is the Chief Minister of Assam? Please let me know. He went to London to start the process of bringing back the sacred Vrindavani Vastra from the British Museum. इसीलिए वो न्यूज में था, ठीक है. Vrindavani Vastra is a 400-year-old Assamese textile which depicts Lord Krishna's childhood stories and divine acts in Vrindavan. It's woven in silk and using very difficult techniques. I'm not sure of the name of those techniques, but that require two weavers working together at the same time. So that's why it was very special. And वो ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम में थे जहाँ से वो वापस लाने गए थे. Okay. Hemant Biswa Sarma, thank you so much everyone. So that's why it was in news, and that's why you should know this static GK question. Okay. Question number 9. Ambaji marble, which recently received the GI tag, is mainly found in which state? Wow. We have quick answers from Jayant, Ayush, Bimal, Niranjan. Looks like you guys have read about it. India ka आधा सामान England में मिलेगा. Exactly, and they called it the British Museum. Sounds Gujarati. Ambaji. Yeah, that's right. That's a good guess, actually. I mean, right way of guessing the answer. Ambaji marble is a has got a GI tag. Okay, that is from Gujarat only. That is absolutely right. Ambaji itself is a town in Gujarat. Okay, and this marble is specially known for its milky white color and very durable also. So that's why it's special. And Ambaji marble is used in temples and other religious structures, iconic buildings and memorials वगैरह बनाने के लिए specially use किया जाता है. All right, let's go. Question number 10. The IIP, the Indian Institute of Packaging, functions under which ministry? Packaging है तो you guys can check. Oh, Tarak Mehta. Oh, wow. Jayan. देखो, now you can go back and say कि तारक मेहता देखना भी helpful रहा आपके लिए, right? Okay. Yes, I forgot something. Better lighting now. Okay, let's go. So the answer of this question is Commerce. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The IIP, which is the Indian Institute of Packaging, has recently opened its new Bangalore center, and this IIP is nothing but a autonomous body which works under this Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and it was established way long back, 1960s mein kabhi, with its headquarters in Bombay. The main goal is to boost the exports through innovative package design and improved packaging standards. It provides testing, consultancy, R&D, training in packaging and all that. And also training is given to the artisans and the weavers and the exporters, all sorts of stakeholders. Okay, कि आप aesthetic packing बनाओ. चीज तो आपकी अच्छी है, we know, but what we don't know is how to present it well. And this is exactly why you people need to prepare for GDPIs as well. आपके अंदर का core context बहुत अच्छा है, but if you're not able to present that well in front of the panelists in that given time frame, then irrespective of how good you are, आपके box को खोल के कोई देखने से पहले ही आपको reject कर देगा, right? So that's why prepare for GDPI starting now. Question number 11. Where was the ninth T20 National Cricket Championship for Deaf held? Those who have been watching my videos for GK's, okay, GK pretty much from the beginning would have heard me talking about it already. That when it comes to sports, it's important that you keep an eye on females, you keep an eye on specially abled people, you keep an eye on those sports where the sports person are not getting enough limelight as someone else should get. Okay, I mean, as someone else gets if they are from a very popular sport. So keep that in mind and please answer this question. Where do you think will was this held? Hmm. Yes, Pratik, absolutely. You will be judged by your cover, and irrespective of what people say, it will still matter. हाँ, ये बात अलग है that of course when you open your mouth, when you speak substance, that definitely matters. But again, your appearance definitely matters. Appearance से मेरा ये मतलब नहीं है कि अच्छे clothes या अच्छा दिखना या some complexion of skin or something like that. No, what I mean is well groomed. Do not think that it's your GDPI. So, ठीक है ना, I am a topper, or let's say I speak well, so it's enough for me to just go in whatever dress I want to. That will not work as well because when you're working in sector, you have to be very well groomed. Okay. Well, coming back to our question, everyone, the answer is New Delhi. So option A, New Delhi goes in as a right answer. वैसे इसके बारे में बता दूं, इसे कहते हैं IDCA, that is the Indian Deaf Cricket Association, and this competition was held on 3rd of November. This was actually inaugurated, I would say, on 3rd of November, and championship was from 3rd to 9th. यहाँ पे 20 different teams feature हुई थी. Okay, so it's kind of it aims at promoting inclusivity in sports and showcase the talent of the India's hearing impaired cricketers also on a national platform. That's the reason behind it. Okay, question 12. Yes, Soumya, thank you so much for mentioning that. Thanks a lot. Ma'am, I've heard to make stories while using example of any topics. Yes, Jayant. Yes. It's basically trying to keep the other person hooked. The entire purpose is to try to keep the other person hooked. आपकी बात कोई क्यों सुनेगा? आपके पास वो कैलिबर होना चाहिए कि आप एक इंसान को यू नो 20 मिनट तक इन्वॉल्व रख सको. दैट्स द थिंग. बॉडी लैंग्वेज, बिहेवियर, एवरीथिंग मैटर्स प्रतीक, एवरीथिंग. नहीं नहीं आदित्य, लंबे बाल इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. ग्रूमिंग से हाँ, if you can cut it would be great, but if you tie them up also, that will also be fine. So many things generally happen in New Delhi. Yes, Sandra, that's absolutely right. Clean shave wali baat true hai kya? That is considered better, but agar you have a good beard, then why not to flaunt it? No, no, it's completely fine. Nahi, Aditi, it's completely fine to go with a blue hair color. What do you mean by that? I had my hair colored, not exactly this much blonde mix, but then, yeah, kind of highlighted. It doesn't matter much. Color, hair color. Blue is a very rebel color, honestly, but yeah, still, I would not say something. Of course, she would get questions, है ना? They will be asking her questions on that why this color, why this, and she should be ready with an answer. That's all. That's not a point of rejection. Come on. Okay. Question number 12, everyone. The answer is China. Of course, कौन ही करता है ये सब बड़े बड़े काम? Of course, it's China. But the thing which we need to talk about in this question is, what do you think is the main purpose of converting thorium into uranium? थोरियम बहुत सारा है अर्थ में एंड यूरेनियम लिमिटेड है. तो ऑफ कोर्स इफ आई कैन कन्वर्ट थोरियम इनटू यूरेनियम फ्यूल, you know what can happen, right? और यूरेनियम फ्यूल कहाँ लगता है? रिएक्टर्स में. समझ पा रहे हो ना? न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर. Okay, you're smart enough. Question number 13 then. Let's go. Which state received the People First Integration Award from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology? METI. No, Hercules, absolutely not. ओके, दे एक्चुअली आपने रीजनिंग के लिए कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस अपलोड किए थे इन योर टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड देम. Naveen, you mean reasoning old videos, na? मुझे भी सर्च करने होंगे. आई ट्राई टू सर्च एंड लेट यू नो. अगर होगा तो मैं वापस से टैग कर दूंगी या अपलोड कर दूंगी. आप मुझे वो वीडियो लिंक्स भेज सकते हो क्या? Either you send me on Telegram or you send me on this TopMate. Huh? I'll go to those videos, try to figure out the date, and then try to see where my content is. Okay. Question number 13. The right answer to this question is option D, Himachal Pradesh. So in November, the government of Himachal Pradesh received this award from METI, that is the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. This award was presented during the National Workshop and Conference of DigiLocker held in Delhi. DigiLocker आपके पास है? Do you guys use DigiLocker? So Ashish Singhmar is the secretary of the Department of Digital Technologies and Governance, and he accepted this award from the secretary of METI. उनका नाम S Krishnan है. The integration enhances citizen-centric governance by enabling secure, paperless, and transparent digital service delivery. So Himachal Pradesh has taken a very key step forward in implementing that overall in the entire state. Option D is the right answer, everyone. Let's go to question number 14. As per the recent data, which two countries rank above India in a clean industrial project pipeline? 100. Okay. What is this yes and yup? I asked you some question. Or Baba Yaga, no, just 100 rupees. For what? Did I miss a question though? Okay. See, ma'am, I've given SSB. Will that help me in GDPI? Yes, Mala. Of course it would. वो बात अलग है कि पुलिस ने चालान तभी भी काट. Yes, Pratik, that's true. ओ लॉकर के लिए. Thanks, दामिनी. पुलिस वालों के लिए. Absolutely. And the answer of this question is also pretty obvious. Who else? USA and China. Okay, so where is USA and China? Option B. That's the right answer. And just that, in case you know, ITA is a report. Okay, that is in Industrial Transition Accelerator, and BCG, Boston Consulting Group, they have stated that India is now the world's third largest pipeline of clean industrial projects after China and US, of course. Okay, numbers nahi batana chahti. I'll just tell you that these projects will boost Make in India, enhance domestic supply chains, make India a global clean industrial hub, and India's growth in steel, cement, chemicals, aviation, shipping sector is basically driving the industrial expansion and employment. ये सारी चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. See guys, if you think that MBA is done only with the help of quant reasoning or verbal or decision making, then that's not the only thing you do here. You need to have idea about what India is doing. I'm not saying that आपको हर एक चीज का पता होना चाहिए या हर एक चीज की डिटेल पता होनी चाहिए, but at least when you're supporting something during a discussion, either in the classroom or during your PI or during the GD, when you're supporting something or going against something, giving examples is the point where you get marks for your GD or your PI or your class participation during your MBA also. So data dena, feed karna is always better. If not the exact number, you can at least say that I have heard India doing well in ABC things. And I'm not sure of the number right now, but I can definitely confirm that I have heard about it. And I know that India is striving hard in this direction as well. Like that. Okay. Question 15, everyone. Which country has become the first in South Asia to join the UN Water Convention? This is very interesting. Diksha, bus or 2 दिन. Just wait for 2 more days, and on 25th you will be getting the PDF. Really, पहली बार किसी चीज में इंडिया का क्लेम सुना है. Thanks, Rituraj, for helping Diksha. Yeah, Pratik. Okay. All right then. Most of you with A's, some of you with B's, and then with C and D as well. मतलब सारे ही options आपने लगा दिए हैं. Option A is the right answer, everyone. Bangladesh. For some reason, Bangladesh is first country in South Asia to join the UN Water Convention. आपको पता है इंडिया ने क्यों join नहीं किया है? That is a good thing. You guys can search about it. Or else, if you want me to tell you in short, I can tell you कि वो गंगा गंगा है ना, गंगा रिवर के लिए देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ, like if the condition is, if I have understood it right, that अगर वो UN वाटर कन्वेंशन ज्वाइन करती है तो उसको पाकिस्तान के साथ मिलके would have to come in terms with Pakistan due to something because of the shared rivers we have, and that's why we have never come up with joining this UN water convention yet. Okay, but by the way, this was adopted in Helsinki in 1992 only, and came into force in 1996. ओके, एसडीजी गोल्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स के लिए ये चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट इंडिया इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. द नेशनल सोशल असिस्टेंट प्रोग्राम NSAP is implemented by which ministry? Social assistance, यहाँ पर I don't think you people will get an idea of what will be the answer, because the name is not that helpful, but let's take a guess. And by the way, the people who are watching, can I request you people to please like the session as well? I mean, this is the max you can do right now. True, Baba Yaga have started previous. Okay, you guys are talking among yourselves, then it's fine. I want it to be saved, Soumya, 100%. अरावली बहुत ज़्यादा अभी एक इम्पोर्टेंट इशू है, एंड हमने कल ही एक क्वेश्चन की थी उस पर, तो यस, रियली प्रतीक, आई विश टू गो देयर सून. हेलसिंकी नेम ही मुझे पहली बार मनी हाइस्ट से पता चला था, ऑनेस्टली इफ आई टेल यू. आई एम नॉट दैट ग्रेट एट ज्योग्राफी व्हाइल आई वाज इन स्कूल, सो मुझे हेलसिंकी के बारे में मनी हाइस्ट से पता चला था. एंड कमिंग बैक टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, द आंसर इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट. The answer is option B, everyone. And what you just need to know is that this NSAP became a very key part of India's social security system. It was started back in 1995 as a fully funded, centrally sponsored scheme to support people living below the poverty line. Again, something for the people living below the poverty line. So you guys can understand, right, what all things India is doing for managing the poverty, like people living below the poverty level. I'm not sure how much is it helping them, because the thing is that they are just helping them survive and get votes from them, but they are not improving their lifestyles, and they are rather, even if the people, I mean, India ka case abhi aisa hai that the people who are, eligible enough, the people who are competent enough to pay taxes, competent enough to, buy their own food, pay the electricity bill and stuff, are still, making papers, fuzzy paper banakar, they are getting the red card, and they are getting all that. Like, I personally know a kind of person, I mean, politically influenced person, gangsta slash politically influenced person, जो कि मतलब एकदम ऊपर से नीचे तक ना, that guy used to come in fully gold laden, and that guy, gold laden, comes in like some very big car, and that guy has a red card with him. वो ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल देता है ना कुछ करता है, एंड आई एम लाइक, वो सो वैसे अगर मैं एक इंडियन सिस्टम से शायद भरोसा ही उठ जाए, बट क्या कर सकते हैं, मुझे नहीं पता ये सब कब ठीक होगा. Question 17. Which state UT government launched the school web app to modernize education and administration in government schools in November? Okay, I have done a similar type of question before as well. Clash of Clans headquarters. Oh yeah, Aditya, right. Right, right. I used to play Clash of Clans. Cherry Blossom में ना Hercules. Yes, of course. हम सब वासुदेव, क्या करोगे आप, किस किस को दोगे, अभी तो फिर भी कंडीशन बेटर है कंपेयर टू व्हाट इट वाज फ्यू इयर्स डाउन द लेन. बच्चे थे हम लोग तो तभी ज्यादा कुछ पता नहीं था, बट फिर भी. Yes, we don't want to be self sufficient, is the exact right thing you said. The problem is this, we have reservations so that people who are not getting ample chances come up and prove their worth and improve their lives, and उनके नीचे की चीजें भी अच्छी हो जानी चाहिए ना, because they improved. But यहाँ पे क्या है कि it continues. चलो, many programs, so many schemes, but no one knows where the taxes are going, as usual. Aditya, good question. I'm kind of fine with capitalism as well because I have been to such countries. Okay, UAE हो गया. I mean, not just that way. I mean, single ruling वाले की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. China, UAE. I've been there, and what I have figured out is that ठीक है, मानती हूँ कि वो कभी भी हमसे कुछ भी ले सकते हैं हमारा. But at the same time, the amount of security they give you, my goodness. I mean, it's not about, okay, the type of roads in China. I just saw a person making a video on wearing a white socks and walking on the streets, and I literally tried it myself. And अगर एक इंच भी आपको धूल दिख जाए तो आप मेरा नाम बदल दीजिएगा. Literally, कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं मिली मुझे पूरे शंघाई सिटी में. So yes, these things matter, and my goodness, they don't look at you. Like, what's the etiquettes out there in US, China, and UAE and other? The etiquettes is pretty simple. You walk into a room, right? You walk into a room, you walk with your head down. You walk into the metro, you move into with your head down. You see someone, it's okay, and then you are all the way mattering your own business. But in India, you're like, what the hell? What are you doing? You're looking like anything. It's not boys or men I'm talking about. It's about the aunties and the women and the girls around also. You look at someone as if you have looked at an alien coming to your place or something like that. So yeah, ये etiquettes की कमी है. ये इतने जल्दी ठीक नहीं होने वाली. वैसे हम लोग इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. दिल्ली इज द राइट आंसर गाइस. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर अ सिंगल डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म विल बी यूज्ड बाय ऑल द टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल एज द पेरेंट्स, सो दैट जो भी स्कूल रिलेटेड सर्विसेज है जैसे टाइम टेबल, होमवर्क, नोट, अटेंडेंस, सब कुछ एक जगह पे मिल जाएगा. तो इट्स बेसिकली काइंड ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग द टीचर्स वर्कलोड. ओके, लेट्स गो टू क्वेश्चन 18. बहुत डिफरेंस है इस पर, तो हम लोग अपने जीडीपीआई में बात करेंगे ना. आई विल गिव यू पॉइंटर्स व्हिच यू कैन यूज इन योर जीडीज और पीआईज, एंड बिल्कुल फाड़ कर आना एकदम मस्त. क्वेश्चन 18. Which organization has implemented India's first solar on track system? Okay, this is a good thing. Yes, Aditi, that's right. Exactly, no, Vasudev. Aji, while I was returning back home, I saw मतलब मैं लिटरली एक जगह रुकी थी. आई पार्क्ड माय कार एंड आई वाज लाइक, व्हाट द हेल इज हैपनिंग, व्हाई द कार्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी आर नॉट मूविंग, एंड दे आर लाइक, क्यों नहीं मूविंग? बिकॉज देयर वाज सम पॉलिटिशियन, नॉट इवन अ मेजर पॉलिटिशियन जिसे हम पहचानते हैं, पॉलिटिशियन का कोई रिश्तेदार is backed up with four policemen, kind of, bodyguarding him, and he is standing in the middle of the road drinking chai, and we are waiting for that person, and he is getting a protection also from six policemen. वही six policemen को कहीं सही जगह पे लगा देते आप तो चीजें बेटर हो जाती. यू नो, बिल्कुल कौशल. यही फ्री फ्री के चक्कर में तो वोट्स निकालने के लिए गवर्नमेंट इज ओनली टारगेटिंग द पीपल जिनके पास पॉपुलेशन है. और हमारे पास कहाँ पॉपुलेशन? हम लोग तो समझदार लोग है ना. वी आर लाइक लिमिटेड, क्योंकि हमें पता है हायर पॉपुलेशन इज नॉट गुड. क्वेश्चन 18. क्वेश्चन 18, द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी एवरीवन, एनसीआरटीसी. ओके, जिसका नाम है नेशनल कैपिटल रीजन ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन. इट हैज लॉन्च इंडियाज फर्स्ट सोलर ऑन ट्रैक सिस्टम. ये नमो भारत डिपोट में लॉन्च हुआ है, राइट? इट्स इन गाजियाबाद. इट्स द फर्स्ट सच इनिशिएटिव इन एनी रीजनल रैपिड ट्रांजिट सिस्टम, ओके, और मेट्रो नेटवर्क. तो बेसिकली क्या जो सोर्स है वो सोलर है. तो इट्स लाइक रूफटॉप सोलर एनर्जी की वजह से मैक्सिमम हमारे क्या कहते हैं, कंजम्पशन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की कम हो जाएगी. Question number 19. Okay, so the right answer to this question is option C. Let's go to number 19. Try the number 19th one. It's sad news, but then yeah, this person is important with respect to which field? Yes, sir, Shivangi. I'm talking about the governments which are like either monarchy or communist, like where you don't allow the other person to even contest for an election, that kind of a thing. Yes, Baba Yaga, it's true. Hmm? I I know a person with 99 percentile still struggling to get a call from IM ABC because of being gem, है ना? मतलब, and even if he got a call, the लिस्टिंग डिड नॉट हैपन, तो हाँ ये तो है ही। यस दामिनी, दे कैन नेवर बी स्ट्रिक्ट ना, कैसे स्ट्रिक्ट करेंगे? आप फाइन्स लगाते हो तो आपकी गवर्नमेंट चेंज हो जाती है, तो हाउ वुड यू डू दैट? या वॉकिंग सीसीटीवीज, यस। यू वुड नेवर, आई मीन व्हाट, मैं आपको अभी अगर बैठ कर दिखाऊं ना, तो आई कैन इवन शो यू दैट कि मेट्रो में व्हेन आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग, यू वुड नॉट बिलीव मी, एंड इट फर्स्ट आई थॉट कि मेरे में कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या, ऐसे क्यों बैठ रहे हैं वो। फिर देन आई सॉ नहीं, every third fourth people, like if they know each other it's fine, if they don't know you and it's like a little crowded where people are standing also and you are sitting in the metro, they would be like a little crossed over taki even this does not touch, and it's a good thing, right? ये इंडिया में नहीं होने वाला। Judging is the easiest thing these aunties and uncles do. Yes, absolutely. हाँ संप्रीत हूँ तो। Ah, she used to plant so many trees. Exactly, Medha knows that. Environment is the right answer. Salu Marda, this person is also a Padma Shri awardee, okay? So she was known for her afforestation policies in Karnataka. Let's go to question 20. International Students Day. तो फिर आप लोगों के लिए भी एक special day है. Did you guys know about it? बेस्ट है आदित्य, वही ना, यू गाइज हैव सिविक सेंस, यू गाइज आर ट्राइंग टू मेक इंडिया लुक डिफरेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर पीपल, बट अभी भी कुछ ऐसी पॉपुलेशन बची हुई है। माई द सीक्रेट आदित्य, मैं बहुत कम बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ, बहुत कम, बहुत कम, बट द सीक्रेट इज माई लाइफ चेंजिंग बुक। Okay, November 18 says most of you, no, most of you say November 17. B option is what most of you are selecting, and that is the right answer as well. So it honors the courage and the sacrifice of student activists in Prague during the Nazi occupation. ये आप लोगों के लिए नहीं है basically. Nazi forces executed 9 student leaders without even a trial. वे बैक, बहुत पुरानी बात बोल रही हूँ, 1939 में, ठीक है। सो तब से ये अभी तक चले आ रहा है। दिस डे हाईलाइट्स द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड स्टूडेंट एक्टिविज्म थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड। सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट स्टूडेंट्स को कम पढ़ना चाहिए, ज्यादा पढ़ना चाहिए, इट्स अबाउट द थिंग्स विच दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी इज फेमस फॉर। Question number 21. Which state has approved the draft of Gig Workers Act 2025 to give platform workers a legal identity and unique ID in November? Very, very important. Last 2 साल में, last 2 years में, it has been a regular practice of all the colleges, not just the top B schools, the tier 2 colleges also, giving the topic of gig workers either in GDs, okay, or asking someone to talk about it during their PIs. Very common. मतलब gig workers is now boring, I would say. But हाँ, ये हमेशा से रहा है, लास्ट 2 years में तो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल रहा है। Yes, so let's go. Question 21. What's the answer? B. Telangana is the right answer, everyone. So Telangana has approved this draft, and it has been the first one in India to do this. It mandates the platforms to explain algorithm impacts on jobs, incentives, and ratings in a language workers can understand. Okay, so and that's also a platform where, because of which, what will happen, that people will be able to track their payments. Okay, there'll be strict penalties for non compliance, तो दोनों ends में प्रॉब्लम होती है गिग वर्कर वाले जगह पे, राइट? कोई आधा काम बीच में छोड़ के भाग जाता है, इफ आई सी फ्रॉम दी वन perspective of the person, the employer, and अगर मैं employee के perspective से देखूं तो वो काम करके दे देता है लेकिन उसे पैसे नहीं मिलते। ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है when I was freelancing. So yes, this platform is like an official platform now where you can track these things as well. Let's go to question 22. Which organization has launched Siddhi? Siddhi stands with Scientific Innovation in Drug Development, Healthcare and Integration. अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं तो I can give you one hint, guys. See, general medicine होगा तो that will not be the answer. If you look at the word Siddhi, I guess you should try to connect it with something ancient type, right? Yeah. So try that out. Okay, so many B, D, A. Try to connect it with something ancient, I said. try it now. And guys, can I please request you people to like this session? The ones who haven't liked it yet, please do like the session as well. Let's go to 22. The right answer to this question is option D, everyone. Ayurvedic Sciences. Okay, the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences, जिसे हम CCRAS भी कहते हैं. It's under the Ministry of Ayush, which has launched this Siddhi 2.0 in Vijayawada. ठीक है. इस सिद्धि इस सिद्धि में हमने क्या किया है? This is a 2-day national conclave in which they were kind of promoting research based products, development, and industry partnerships in the Ayurvedic field. Okay, so option D becomes our right answer. Let's go to question 23. पढ़ लो यार, प्लीज पढ़ लो. I request you people. बहुत कम दिन बचे हैं अभी. Just don't give up right now. Soumya, I've done a lot of work, mostly in content writing, then in teaching, then in helping people with their LORs and SOPs. So I have also helped students who wanted to go abroad, and for them, drafting their LORs and SOP is a thing which I've done for a pretty long period of time. That's why I take expertise and I ask you people to send me your SOP so that I can review it, tell you the right things to do, or maybe frame it again for you people. All this is because I know doing that. I've been working on that field for a very long period of time. I've been doing a lot of stuff. I mean, by the time I did my MBA, by that time I've worked in 9 different firms in 7 different countries. बिल्कुल कौशल, लगते हैं ना. आप किसी भी कंपनी में ज्वाइन करो और फिर बाहर चले जाओ, मतलब इफ यू वांट टू. Yeah, blah blah. We will have a Q&A right after the 30th question, so you can ask me then. ऐसे बीच में पूछ लो, अगर कुछ होगा तो I can answer. इंटरव्यू में CV ले जाना होगा? नहीं मेरा, बिल्कुल नहीं. Sindarov. Okay, I got an answer in the chat. Sindarov, it's right answer. ये उज्बेकिस्तान की स्टार है, right? Okay, Uzbekistan, option A. Question number 24. The Janjatiya Gaurav Varsh Pakhwada 2025 marks the 150th birth anniversary of which legendary tribal freedom fighter? Okay, this one is personal. 150th birth anniversary. Birsa Munda freedom fighter. Yeah, that's the right answer, Jayant. सो मैं भी जमशेदपुर में ही रहती हूँ, सो यस, इसीलिए मैंने बोला ये पर्सनल है. आई कुड सी द बैनर्स एवरीवेयर, सो आई कुड remember this. Okay, and you don't need to know much about it, right? Because it's more about celebrating that tribal empowerment. ट्राइबल के चक्कर में बहुत दिक्कत होती है यहाँ पे. But anyways, option D is the right answer, everyone. 25. Axial seamount was recently seen in news because it's an underwater volcano situated in which ocean? You have to find out the name of the ocean. Arey वाह, Sakshi. You know, I know one Sakshi who is also from Bokaro. She was in my college. So, very nice. Oh, wow, Jayan, that's so nice. तो फिर आना कभी नानी घर. We'll meet. Question 25. Pacific Ocean is the right answer, everyone. वैसे तो underground volcano is a very nice thing to hear about. If you guys get time, please search it and see how it looks like. And what extra do you need to know about it? See, the only extra thing is an initiative called as Ocean Observatories Initiative. And another one is New Millennium Observatory, जिसका नाम नीमो भी है. It's the world's first underwater volcanic observatory. मुझे लगता है बस इतना ही जानना is enough for you. Question 26. River Amgot was seen in news recently. It flows through which state? A static GK question for everyone. Oh, wow, Anshika. Nice to know that. Okay, Finding Nemo. Yes. Actually, Aditi, they have named it like this. Otherwise, देखो वो name में set भी नहीं हो रहा, but they have like E small में because it's the second word, and then Mo. River Amgot is in Meghalaya, guys, one of the most beautiful places of India. but why is it in question? Why is it in news? Because uski waters are, they are pristine waters, and abhi wo murky ho rahe hain because of soil dumping, construction debris. The Amgat river is also called as the Dwaki river. Okay, and वो मेजरली इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए है, आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू गाइज हैव एवर लर्नड इट बैक इन स्कूल. आपने क्या मेघालय की खासी जयंतिया हिल्स के बारे में सुना है? रेन के बारे में सुना है? खासी जयंतिया हिल्स, राइट? सो खासी एंड जयंतिया हिल्स को डिवाइड करने वाला नेचुरल रिवर इज दिस रिवर अमगोट. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, it originates from the Shillong peak, and it's a natural boundary between India and Bangladesh also. याद आया खासी जय मोहसिन राम. Yes, Shrihan, thank you. Rain, maximum rain, right? Okay. Question 27. The National Cooperative Development Corporation functions under which ministry? दोनों ऑप्शन सेम है. Oh yeah, there are two Meghalaya's. Mistype, guys. Thank you for pointing it out. Question 27. The National Cooperative Development Corporation functions under which ministry? Cooperative. Ministry of Cooperation. Simple. But ये करता क्या है? It plays a key role in promoting self-reliance and inclusive growth through cooperative movement, basically supporting the farmer cooperatives to enhance their production and productivity. Right? Social upliftment के लिए. Option B is the right answer. 28th on your screen now. Which two Indian farmer-owned cooperatives have been ranked as the world's top cooperatives by ICA? ये तो नवंबर का recent news है. नवंबर का recent news है, guys. You know it. You must be knowing it. Try to tell me the answer. किसी रीजन से कुछ लोगों ने अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया है, so please do like this session as well. मैं कोई सिंपैथी नहीं लेना चाहती, बट बहुत करेज लगा आज बैठने के लिए फॉर द सेशन. मैं बोलूंगी जरूर उस बारे में. आई थॉट ऑल द टाइम, एंड आई थॉट कि मुझे बोलना चाहिए या नहीं, बट आई नो समवन वुड कम आस्किंग मी कि यार motivation and something like that, how to motivate ourselves to study. So maybe you can use this as a motivation. Where I am standing right now and I am doing this session with you people, I guess if I can do it, then every other human being on this earth can do it. Question 28's answer is option A, everyone. Amul and IFCO. Okay, ये दो वर्ल्ड के टॉप cooperatives में आते हैं. And this was released by, this report was released by Doha. It was released in Doha, Qatar. This entire, ceremony was held there. And Amul जो है वो गुजरात कोऑपरेटिव मिल्क मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन है. It was ranked number 1. And IFCO is the Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. I'm not sure if you people like gardening and stuff, but अगर आप करते हो, then you must have ordered something from IFCO. Ranking was based on the GDP per capita performance, okay, by these ICA, headquartered in Brussels. But I guess this much is enough for you to know. Let's go to answer question number 29. So what are the names of the two mobile applications launched by the Registrar General of India for India's first digital census? Okay, this is important because 2027 में हमारे इंडिया का पहला digital census होने वाला है. Okay? Yeah, Baba Yaga. Something really bad happened after last session. After completing your session, I got to know about a bad news which shook me to the core, out of which I cannot even take myself out. And that's the reason my energy might have stooped down a little today as well. But I'll give my best so that you people learn good, and we'll talk about it after question 30. Question number 29. पढ़ाई पहले, चीजें बाद में. Question 29. Digital Layout Map, also called as DLM, and Census 2027 House List. These are the two things which are the two new apps. Option C is my right answer. And just remember, they are also trying to run a pre-test of this, and this pre-test was ran in November, okay, in selective areas to check कि भाई ये ठीक से काम कर रहा है कि नहीं. ये दोनों apps आपको Play Store पे मिल जाएंगे, both and also in Apple devices as well. But अभी के लिए use नहीं कर सकते. I guess it's only accessible to the authorized personnel, not for you people. But yeah, just telling that these are the two new apps. Question 30. Which country announced a ban on social media access for individuals below 15 years of age in November? I guess we have done a similar question before also. I will tell you, Soumya Rituraj. Thank you for asking. I'll definitely tell. Let's finish question 30. So, which country announced a ban on the social media access for individuals below 15 years of age in November 2025? The answer is Denmark. Yes. Denmark announced a ban on the social media access for all the individuals below 15 years of age, keeping in mind the point to protect the child's mental health and safety. Denmark is located where? In the north central Europe, right? It's one of the Scandinavian countries. And capital of Denmark is Copenhagen, right? And what else would I tell you about it? Probably what Germany के साथ boundary share करता है. If I could sell that, I mean, if you can figure out any more pointers with that, that's pretty good. If not, then it's completely fine. Let's go with Denmark. Okay, fine then. So with this comes the last question of the day. How was the session? Do let me know in the